Hey everyone, Ryan Lane with Lane's Rubs and Sauces, and today we are going to talk chicken Tinga tacos. All right, if you are looking for a great way to kick up taco night, this is a recipe you gotta try. So we have got this Tinga sauce, which adds a ton of flavor and depth, a little bit of heat to it. We've got a whole chicken that we smoke with our Fiesta rub, but really the great thing about it is this is something you could use a leftover chicken, add the Tinga sauce to it, heat it up, quick and easy taco night meal. So we're gonna get started with our Tinga sauce. We've got 3 cloves of garlic. We've got some sweet onion, just chopped it, roughly chopped. We have got a can of fire roasted tomatoes. We're gonna add 3 chipotle peppers. So these add a nice smokiness to it in that adobo sauce. So we got 1, 2, yeah boy, 3. Then a tablespoon of each of our seasonings. We've got our chili lime and our Fiesta. That's it. All right, so we've got our Tinga sauce already made. We're gonna shred this chicken, put it in our pan, and then we'll put the sauce on top. I actually love a mix of the white and the dark meat. It adds a different flavor to it. This really is something, even if you didn't have time to smoke a chicken, you could run up to the deli and get one that's already been smoked. Best part of the chicken, a little oyster. All right, we've got our chicken shredded. In the pan, we're gonna add our Tinga sauce. Get that all incorporated onto the smoker. All right, so we've got our chicken Tinga is all heated up. All we did was just put it on the grill for about 10-15 minutes at 350, 375. All you're really trying to do is heat that chicken back up and get that sauce warmed. Right. So we've got our mixture. We've got some corn tortillas. Flour worked great. All we did was we just put them on the grill, heated them up a little bit. Got some cilantro, red onion, jalapeno, some like Mexican crumbling cheese, which is really good, lime and avocado. So this is the fun part about taco night. Everyone can kind of make it the way that they want to do. So we're gonna take some of our chicken here. Some jalapeno, we like a little spicy, red onion, cilantro. We've got our queso fresco right on top. Some slices of avocado and a twist of lime. It's time to eat. Quick and simple, tons of flavor, a little bit of heat to spice up your night on a chilly evening. It's time to enjoy. Thank you guys for checking it out. So good.